Hello students, I hope you all are safe at your home. Today we will learn phonic sound for prep class. So let's start. Repeat with me all of you. The main word is op, 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 op. O says o, P says p, op, op. C says k, R says r, cr, op, crop. D says d, R says r, dr, op, drop. S says sir, H says her, sh op shop. S says sir, T says st op stop. Cr op crop, sh op shop, dr op drop, st op stop. Stop at the sh op shop, stop at the shop. D do, n ought not, dr op drop, the bag, do not drop the bag. Repeat with me all of you. The main word is os, os. D says d os, dos. N says n os, nose. H says her os, hose. R says r os, rose. P says p os, pose. T says t, H says her, the os, those. D os, dose. N os, nose. R os, rose. H os, hose. P os, pose. Th os, those. I smell, smile. W eat with. M my. N os, nose. I smell with my nose. I and can, smell, smell, r os, rose. I can smell a rose. Repeat with me all of you. The main word is og, og. The main word is og. C says k og cog. The main word is C says k og cog. D says d og dog. L says l og log. M says m ok mog. R says r ok rock. F says f, R says r fr ok frog. K says k, N says n. K is silent here. N ok knock. S says sir, T says st ok stock. C says k ok cock, L ok lock, R ok rock, N ok knock, D ok dog, M ok mog, Fr ok frog, St ok stock. Here are some sentences. The or door, H as has, a L ok log. The door has a lock. D or do, N ought not, knock, at the or door. Do not knock at the door. Repeat with me all of you. The main word is ook. The main word is ook. Keep in mind, okay? C says ka ook cook. B says ba ook book. L says la ook look. T says ta ook took. B says ba, R says ra bra ook brook. C says ka, R says ra kra ook crook. B ook book, la ook look, bra ook brook, ka ook cook, ta ook took, kra ook crook. The boy, ta ook took, a ba ook book. The boy took a book. He, sa at sat, boy by, the bra ook brook. He sat by the brook. Repeat with me all of you. The main word is wool. The main word is wool. C says ka wool cool. P says pa wool pool. S says sa, T says st wool stool. S says sa, C says ka, H says ha, ska wool school. Ka wool cool, st wool stool, p P-ul pool, Sk-ul school. The P-ul pool is by the Sk-ul school. The pool is by the school. It is K-ul pool by the P-ul pool. It is school by the pool. Repeat with me, all of you. The main word is un. The main word is un. Repeat again and again. The main word is un. M says ma un moon. N says na un noon. S says sa un soon. S says sa, P says sp un spoon. The sa and sun is up. The sun is up. It will sa un soon be na un noon. It will soon be noon. Repeat with me, all of you. The main word is ow. The main word is ow. C says k ow cow. H says h ow how. N says no ow now. W says wo ow wow. K ow cow. No ow now. H ow how. W ow wow. H ow how is the k ow cow. No ow now. How is the cow now? Repeat with me, all of you. The main word is own. The main word is own. D says d own down. G says g own gown. T says t own town. B says b, R says r br own brown. C says k, L says l cl own clown. C says k, R says r cr own crown. D says d, R says r dr own drown. F says fo, R says r fro own frown. D own down, t own town, cl own clown, dr own drown, g own gown, br own brown, cr own crown, fr own frown. The cl own clown, h as has, a br own brown, g own gown. The clown has a brown gown. Repeat with me, all of you. Reading practice. Lesson 2. Okay. Op, stop, stop. Os, the os, those. Ok, frog, frog. Ook, look, ul, ul, stool. Un, spoon. Ow, wow. Own, frown. Here are some sentences. Wow, stop. Look, at, those, dogs. Look at those dogs. One, h as has, a gown. One has a gown. One is on a stool. One is on a stool. One, h as has, a frog. One has a frog. One, h as has, a spoon. One has a spoon. Okay. Dog, dogs. Okay. Learn this. So students, learn this phonics sound at your home. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.